Dr. Kennedy at Advanced Health Chiropractic South Loop. I have Leticia here with me today. She suffers from neck pain, migraines, and low back pain, so I'm going to get her moving today and do a little soft tissue on her. Okay, go ahead and go face down for me. So first I'm going to start with arthrostim to help stimulate the joints and induce motion into the spine. Palpating the thoracic spine, checking for subluxations, restrictions. Deep breath in, Leticia, and out. Deep breath in, and out. Good. Going down to the lumbar spine, going to check for movement, subluxations down here as well. At side joints, and now leg length. Okay, I'm going to give you a few drops through that right hip, Leticia. Face me this way on your side. Okay, other side for me. Good. Now on your back for me. I'm going to check for subluxations and any decreased movement in the cervical spine. Soft tissue on her suboccipitals. Okay. Now, Leticia, I'm going to have you go in child's pose. And I'm going to lift this up and then run the Graston along your low back spine, okay? Stand up. So if you are experiencing any migraines, neck pain, low back pain, schedule a new patient appointment on our website. And if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. We'll see you in the next one.